are about to go into H2 Overdrive as we meet some of the world's best professional jet ski riders. So I've got one question for you, SeaWorld. Are you ready? All right, let's do this. Next up we have Dan McNamara, and finally owner of G Racing, Guy Greenland. And together they are your team Jet Stunt Extreme. So I want you to dig deep, SeaWorld, and make some noise! Freestyle jet skiing is one of the hottest sports in the world right now and dates as far back as the 1980s out of the USA. And every year the engines get bigger, the buoys get stronger, and the air definitely gets higher. So now it's time to welcome out the boys as they go old school on the mighty white Superjets. What a way to kick off the action with a 180 nose stab. Behind the controls of these mean machines today are two of our finest, Guy Greenland and Dan McNamara. Now be quick with your cameras because they're about to disappear. That move is called the submarine. Now if submarine doesn't float your boat, then perhaps going backwards will. This next move is called the backwards barefoot, where the boys literally ride it backwards. And finally, a classic from the 80s and a crowd favorite. They call this move the fountain. Let her rip, boys! Ladies and gentlemen, you have just been old schooled by Dan McNamara and Guy Greenland. Now it's time to wind the clock forward 30 years as we welcome out John Cook on a prototype Richter jet ski. Alright, so trick skiing is all about preparation and precision. Now, because John is on the flat, he has to circle around in order to create his own waves. And when he finds the perfect lip, he pulls the trigger and lets it fly.
Ladies
and gentlemen, please go crazy for John Cook. Whitewater Short Course Challenge. Alright, well this sounds like a bit of fun. You guys look like you've got a bit of energy to burn. So SeaWorld, do you want to see them race? Alright, well we better get your boys some teams. So everyone on this side of the arena, including you guys on the grass, you'll be going for a former BMX champion. Put your hands together for Dan McNamara! How you doing, Dan?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. Nice day, big crowd. So let you guys get the bus will go.
Alright, which means that everyone on this side, you'll be going for a flat water champ. This is his competition. So put your hands together for owner of G Racing, Guy Greenland. How you going there, Guy? Yeah, feel good, sun's out, but my team, you need to get a lot louder and I'll go a lot faster. Alright, while the boys set up, I'll explain the race. So this is a one-lap slalom race. The course has been measured and both riders will be completing the exact same distance today. So you ready, boys? Alright, see what, let's count them down. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, now as I said before, this is a one-lap slalom race. The course has been measured, so both riders will be completing the exact same distance. Now keep an eye on the white boy out next to the counter, because that is the finish line.
Yeah.
And as they come into the final bend, who is going to take it out? It is Mr. Kai Greenland, everyone! Great job, Guy. Better luck next time, man.
Expression session.
Alright, well this sounds like a bit of fun, so it's time for the boys to let loose and turn this place into their very own water park. They are out here creating the tricks of tomorrow right here for you guys. Freestyle tournament where each competitor gets exactly 2 minutes on the clock to show us exactly what they can do. Now I think we're going to keep the same teams as before, boys, so everyone on this side of the arena, you'll be going for a 2-time US champ. Put your hands together for Michael Ruddy! How you feeling today, Michael?
Jacob, I feel good. It's going to be a really close competition, but if my team can get behind me and make plenty of noise, I'll give them 110%. We'll try to take this one home.
All right, lots of confidence on this side, which means that everyone over this side of the arena, you'll be cheering for a gold medalist, the man that made this whole show possible. Dig deep and put your hands together for John Cook. All right, how you feeling today?
I feel pretty good, pretty blessed to be here to all you guys, so thank you for letting us do that. I'll go out there and hopefully give Michael a run for his money. I'm a little bit older, but I think I'm a little bit wiser, so we'll see how I go this week.
Alright, who's going to first, boys? Alright, here we go. So remember, everyone on this side of the arena, the louder you scream, the better their tricks are going to be. John comes in for his first trick. What has he got in his bag? And a no-handed 360! Backwards in a row! Now John has a little bit of time on the clock left, so what is he going to do to bring it home? Into a 180, into a backflip, into another backflip, a full-move combination, go crazy! Great job, John. High five, yes. USA can top that. As Michael goes into his first hit. The 360 with one hand and one foot, ladies and gentlemen. And a backflip. Into a 180. Into another backflip. One more. One more, he says. He's got one more. And a 360. Another 360. Into a 180. Into a backflip. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Michael Riley. Alright, well guys, I think the only way to judge this is if the audience here giving us a big cheer. So we're going to start down here on this side with Team USA. So remember, everyone here, including you guys on the grass, if you want to win, you need to make some noise. Ready? 3, 2, 1, scream! Pretty good, pretty good. Alright, let's go down to Team John Cook. So everyone on this side, if you want to win, you need to be even louder than everyone on that side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, scream! Well, that was pretty close. I think we're going to have to go one more time. But this time, let's go everyone together. I need you to stand up, wave your arms, throw your kids, do whatever it takes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, scream! Alright, I think it has to go to John Cook, everyone! Alright, well that brings us to the end of Jet Stunt Extreme for today. But let's dig and make some noise for the boys one more time. We've got Mr. Guy Greenland, John Cook, Michael Raddy, and Dan McNamara. You guys have been great. Thanks for coming out. My name's Jacob and this has been Jet Stunt Extreme.
You got your photograph taken with the stars of Jet Stunt Extreme. The team will be returning this